This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming app permissions and storage availability. This prevents silent failures. Next, choose cookie scope, session for temporary state, persistent for login tokens, set expiration accurately. Once done, apply secure and HTTP-only flags to protect contents in transit and from scripts. Make sure to pick same site equals lax or strict based on cross-site needs. Finally, test simple set / get flows in a debug build so you can observe cookie headers and behavior immediately. You now implement the core logic. Serialize and encode values to prevent malformed cookie data. This also helps versioning later. Then, write routines to set path, domain, and explicit expires timestamps. Consistency matters across platforms. Once done, apply secure and HTTP-only flags and encrypt any sensitive payloads before storage. Make sure to handle updates by overriding with same name / path. Finally, log cookie lifecycle events so you can trace creation, renewal, and deletion during QA. You finish by implementing delete and recreate flows. When schema changes, clear old cookies and bump a version field inside the value so clients migrate cleanly. Once done, validate with network inspectors and the platform storage viewer to confirm cookies are sent and persisted. If cookies don't appear, check domain / path mismatches, secure flag on HTTP, and same site blocking. Make sure to retest on real devices and different web views. Emulators can mask platform-specific issues, so verify on both Android and iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.